Today I'm going to be testing what it takes to break into a master lock. I have a master lock here that I found. I don't have a key, no way to get into it, and today I'm just going to test what it takes to break into a master lock with a hammer. I'm going to start with my smallest hammer and see what kind of damage I can do to this lock. That didn't do much, but I can get the plastic off now. Well, I've really shaken things up with it, but I have a bigger hammer, and I'm going to try the bigger hammer. So what I did is I used the back end of one hammer and then hammered it with another, and I actually cut this right here. I was successful. So I'm gonna pry this metal off. Whoa, that broke very brittly. And this is the outer shell of the lock that I just got off. It's actually very brittle now. So I just got that piece off, and inside you can see the inner structure of the lock. And this stuff is what's gonna be very hard to get past. But I'm still gonna try. I got tired of using a hammer, so I'm going to move on to power tools now. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to try to get this bottom piece off. I feel like if I get this bottom piece off, I can remove these bars that are here and hopefully get into the whole lock. I'm beginning to get this bottom plate off, and I think that's going to be a key component if I want to get this lock open. Alright, so I just got that bottom plate off the lock, and now you can see this. It still doesn't open, but I think with a little more work with the Dremel, I'll be able to get it. Oh, I got it. I got the second plate off, and now all you have to do is put a screwdriver in here and turn this right here. You have to turn it until you hear it click, and you can open the lock. So there's how you open the lock, with some hammers to get the first couple pieces off. And then use a Dremel and you can remove this and just use a screwdriver to twist it open. There you go. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time.